Easy roasted winter vegetables. Welcome to 3super.com. Many keto dieters find themselves growing bored of having the same variations of vegetables in meat each day. Priscilla Chemeshin has blessed the community with a recipe that results in beautifully roasted vegetables in under an hour. The wintery vegetables used in this mix are Brussels sprouts, parsnips, bok choy, leeks, red cabbage, garlic, and carrots. The vegetables are all glazed with avocado oil and then put in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. Many winter vegetable varieties are unjustly scorned. They are not only healthy, but also have a lot to offer in terms of culinary delights. More calcium than milk, more vitamin C than lemons, huge amounts of vitamin K as well as folic acid, provitamin A, B vitamins, vitamin E, potassium and iron. What sounds like the contents of a particularly powerful vitamin preparation are just some of the nutrients that go into kale. But it can do more. Play the leading role in a green smoothie, enrich a salad with banana, orange and ginger, a salad with olives and nuts, or come along as an exciting lasagna risotto variant. When buying, the Federal Center for Nutrition recommends paying attention to crisp, rich green leaves. Domestically grown kale is available until March and will keep in the refrigerator for a few days. The combination of meat and vegetables is a frequently occurring meal in many diets, including Paleo and Keto. Rotating different cooking styles and methods for vegetables and meats can keep meals fresh and new. Roasting vegetables is a great way to add a new flavor, texture, and color to a meal. Roasting veggies adds caramelized flavor that will make it a pleasure to eat any oven-kissed leftover vegetables again the next day. More health and superfood news on 3super.com.